Ladies' Day this year. It's funny, I was totally unprepared for this one. The dress is actually my granny's. She died yesterday, but I thought in honour of her I'd wear it. It wasn't even dry cleaned, so I had to go get it dry cleaned myself. Like, I had no idea I was going to be here. Although I did get the hat made just in case. I actually got the hat made specifically with the theme of fair trade in mind. You know, I just really thought that after what Kenco have done with coffee, I should really channel that with my hat. I'm really good friends with this milliner, local milliner. She's an organic, fair trade, workers alliance sort of milliner. Keep moving your mouth, keep moving your mouth, keep moving your mouth. Keep moving your mouth. The shoes, I just found them in the attic. I didn't even know they fitted until I got here. Again, very ethnic, very organic, very fair trade. Is that a judge? My favourite thing would have to be the fashion. You know, sorry pleb. You know, seeing everybody come out for the day. Just see what everyone can put together, you know? I think that's a horse there now. Last year's winners.